I can't believe it that I'm trying to do this mic test and I just made a little run and apparently I didn't turn my microphone on in my helmet. So I'm going to try to do another run here. All right. So anyways, I've been trying to get the moto vlogging going on a budget, and instead of getting a specific Bluetooth helmet mic, I got these Insta360 Mic Pro kit to be able to use for like everything, my music, my art, videos, conversation in general, and then also my moto vlogging. And I've been having problems getting these things to work for the moto vlogging. Basically because the 360 camera I'm using is an X2. It's really old. And it doesn't hook up with my newer Mic Pros. And so after all this testing, what I've come down to is I need to record 32-bit float on the microphones and then sub that audio into my 360 video after I sync the audio up, and then I delete the original audio from the 360 camera, because it's, as far as I know, it's only like 12 to 16-bit on this camera, and I'm recording in 32-bit float on my microphones. So I'm hoping that this test will work out, and this is going to be my system, even if it takes a little bit more work in editing or, you know, post-production. Because obviously at some point I'll buy a new camera when I can afford it, but holy shit, the microphones were like close to $350 after tax. And my audio suffered worse than my video, so, you know, it's like if I can get this to work, here's what we're doing. I might actually put some horn honks at the end of the video too, so it makes it easier for me to make sure I got everything spliced up. I couldn't believe after that last ride that when I was inserting the mic in my helmet, somehow I turned it off. Alright, getting this thing wrestled around here. Here's a couple braps for you. And a couple horn beeps. Alright. I hope that test works, everybody. Arbors are saying peace out.